Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share something very interesting and useful called GeoFence project. So make sure watch till end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you want any projects just comment down. So let's get started. Now let's know what is GeoFence. Let's search on the Google. GeoFence uses location-based technology like GPS to create virtual boundaries around a specific geographic area. Trigger excel device like for vehicle event industry and exists those zones for application and for marketing security. So now let's explain in the very simple way. Just assume you have a team and you are working on a project which is very confidential and you don't want to leak information about your project. Here it comes in use. So what are the features of GeoFence project? The first one is virtual boundary setup. Second one is admin dashboard. Third one is send mail. Fourth one is real-time location tracking. Fourth one is user monitoring. Fifth one is logs and report. So now let's know about the technologies used. So first one is front end. For the front end, I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now for backend, I used Python. And for the database, I used MySQL. And for API, I used Google Maps API. Now let's know about the working of GeoFence project. There will be two panel in which will be first one is admin dashboard and second one is employee dashboard. So let's know about the employee dashboard, where employee can send Gmail and also can attach a file, but the twist is when employee will be in the virtual boundary setup, then only it can access the employee panel and send Gmail. If the employee will see the sent Gmail in the outside of the virtual boundary, it will crypt. The message will decrypt. Otherwise, it will be encrypt. Now let's know about the admin panel. So admin can manage and create the virtual boundary setup. Admin can see the Gmail messages which is sent by the employee and it can manage also and etc. Now let's know where you will get the source code of the GeoFence project. You will get the source code in my Telegram channel and the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video. Now let's know how to set up the source code. Just follow the steps whatever I am saying. First, just download the source code from the Telegram and then unzip that file. If you have XAMPP installed already, then go for the next step. Otherwise, go on the browser and search XAMPP download and then download according to your device and then install in your PC. Then open this PC, then click on local disk C, then click on XAMPP folder, and in the XAMPP folder there will be one htdocs. Inside the htdocs folder, put the unzipped file. Then open the XAMPP software and then click on the first to a start button, which is Apache and MySQL, and then click on the MySQL admin, but make sure if the start button will work, then only the MySQL admin panel will open. Then the browser will open and there will show PHP My Admin Dashboard. Then click on the import. Then click on the choose file. Then go to the same location. In that will be one SQL file called geofence.py.sql. Choose that file and then click on open file. Then scroll down and click on import button. Now your database has been created. So now open the file in any code editor, but I will open in VS Code editor. There will be one file called main.py. Run that main.py file. When you will run that main.py file, then you will get some error like the modules are not installed. So first let's install the modules related to this project. After installed the all modules, then again click on the run, or even you can click on the terminal and there you can type python a space main.py, then hit the enter button. After that you will get a localhost link in the terminal. Just click the control and click on that link. Then the browser will open, and in that browser will be your project. So that's it, friend. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give it like and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and more interesting projects. Just comment below. See you in the next video. Happy coding.